Hello guys, welcome to Python tutorial for beginners. Today's discussion is about comments in Python. So without wasting our time, let's start our session and know what are comments. So basically comments are the statements that gives you detail or information about codes or scripts written in files. Okay. So one more thing, comments are not executed at runtime. That means they will be ignored at runtime. So now we will know what types of comments are there in Python. So guys, first of all, there is a single line comment in Python, and now we will take an example of it and understand it better. So let us create some variables. Say ename is equal to some name, and esal is equal to some number, and edepth is equal to some department name. Say it IT. So now we will print value of all these three variables one by one: ename, comma, esal, comma, edepth. And now we are gonna run this program and look at the output. So just save and run this program. So yes, you can see the output. Now we will just go to the first line and add one line before that, that is hash, which is used to start single line comment employee details. So this hash employee details, suppose some other person visits this file, so with the help of this line employee details, he will come to know that the given below details are of a employee. So this is the work of a comment. So now if you run this program, you can see the output is same. There is no difference in the output because of comment. That means comments are not being executed, or you can say they are ignored, okay, while running the program. So this is the use of a comment. It increases readability of our program. You can also add comments for every single line or whatever line you want. Suppose in the first line I have added name of employee, which gives the reader details about that it is the employee name, and in second line style of employee, which will tell him that it is salary of employee, and similarly depth of employee, which is tell the reader that it is department of employee. So these are the basic use of comments, and it is very useful for providing information. So now we will move to another one, that is multi-line comment. So how are you gonna give a multiple line comment? Suppose you have a long comment that may take more than one line. So how are you gonna do that in Python? So that is very simple. You just have to give three single quotes and just start writing your comment. Suppose I am writing, this is how to give a multi-line comment. And similarly, when my comment will be end, I have to give three single quotes, just like I given in start. In the same way I have to give in the end. So now add some lines in the code. Say x is equal to 234, and now print some message, say a string like hello, and then comma, which will give a space, and then x, which will print the value of x. So now run this program and look at the output. Yes, you can see hello 234 is our output, and our output is not reflected because of the comment. So this was